Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we'll learn relational operator and conditional operator. For example, if, else, elif statement. Let us open new file, new Python file. If and elif statement. At first, let us try to understand what is relational operator. Relational operator is 3 greater than or equal to 3. This is relational operator. 2 less than 3. 5 greater than 4. 5 greater than equal to 5. This is the relational operator, and the answer result will come as Boolean format, because for example print 3 greater than 2, it will give true. So the relational operator gives true or false as the result. We need relational operator for most of the programs in if elif statement. Now let's do a program with if and elif statement. This is conditional operator. Marks equal to 75. For example, a student achieved marks 75. So we write a small program. If marks greater than equal to 80, print A plus. If elif marks greater than equal to 70, print A. Elif marks greater than equal to 60, print A minus. Else, at last, else print fail. Let's print it. So marks was 75. It fulfilled this condition. Above 70, it will be A. But if we use else instead of elif, it will show wrong result. So in Python we have to use elif for conditional statement. So we got to know, we have learned relational operator and conditional operator, if elif else statement. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.